to the final portion and picture taking, baka hindi na. Wala nang bago, wala nang additional, no? Okay. Any feedback on this, aside from the hitches that we had, butit na lang, andito yung anak ko, tinulungan niya ako, okay? So he just came back from Singapore. He's doing his fellowship in Singapore. Kagabi dumating siya for a vacation lang, no? Okay. So butit na lang, tatulungan niya ako dito sa video presentation, no? Okay. So any feedback, Jen?
Thank you, Doc.
What do you think, Jen? Andam.
Hello po. Good morning, Doc.
Good morning. Paki-mute lang iba yung mga hindi nagsasalita. Paki-mute lang. Sinong
Ayun,
Okay, Jen, go ahead.
Yeah. Emotional, sir.
Okay.
Kasi 'di ba po, newbie kasi ako dito. Talagang naiiyak ako doon. So, lahat ng narinig ko, sabi ko, ay ganun pala. Actually, nasa stage of acceptance pa lang kasi ako. So parang marami pala akong kasama na ganito din yung mga experience before. So, yan, kapit lang talaga kay Lord. So, marami pang pagdadaanan talaga, Dok. Sobrang dami pa. So, I'm hoping na yung magiging result ng histopath ko is yung negative lang para kaya natin, kayang survive, kayang labanan. As in, sorry po sa lahat kasi bago lang po talaga kasi ako dito. Kaya sobrang emotional pa po ako. So, pero sobrang na ano po ako sa mga nag-share ng mga ano nila, mga cancer journeys po nila na sobrang well, kung kaya nila, kakayanin ko din po ito para sa anak ko. Yeah. Yun lang, Doc. Sorry. Thank you po.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for attending also. Although wala pa tayong histopath, sana hindi mo mangangailangan ng chemo or hormonal, no? Sana, okay? Pero isasama na rin kita dun sa ayuda, no? Okay? Okay. Qualified ka na. Okay. Anybody else who wants to give a feedback on the
Ako, Doc.
sino to?
Susan.
Okay, where are you? Okay.
I'm here, oh.
Yeah,
Ayan yung
okay.
video ko,
Okay,
Doc.
good. Sige, Susan.
Nako, I was looking forward to really attending this one online, no? First, I'm so inspired by the sharing of everybody. Nakaka-inspire sila. And most of all, I am glad that God led me to you, no? Because you remember na opera ko July 2023 last year, no? Tapos, ang maganda, sabi mo pa, no clinical evidence of recurrence. Sabi ko, wow, sabi ko, miracle. Ay, hindi naman miracle, kundi, I don't know, it's a blessing from God. But every day, I am grateful. It's always gratitude. Every day, I write down in my diary, it's gratitude. Every day, I look at the bright side of things. Every day, I'm grateful to God that He has chosen, He has led me not only to you, but to these people who inspire a lot. So I'm glad that this is my second year to attend this Cancer Crusaders Club annual Christmas get together. I hope we always have something like this. Next year, I intend to share, Doc. I intend to share my happiness and my gratitude. And thank you so much, Doc. This is something different. And this is, I think it's only you as a doctor who hold this for your patients. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I have one, Susan, ikaw magkasama ka na sa sharer next year.
Next
Okay.
year. Thank you, Doc.
Mahirap yata maghanap ng sharer.
Di bale, next year, Doc. May mga masasabi na ako. Thank you.
Sino pa? Di ka ba qualified sa ano? Are you taking tamoxifen?
No, Doc, you have not prescribed anything.
Yung ano mo, thyroid mo?
Yung thyroid ko, it's for life. It's a thyroid hormone
Yung
medicine.
title. Oh, sige, sama na kita.
Ganun.
Oo.
Oo. Oo, thyroid hormone medicine.
Bigyan na kita ng basta thyroid hormones medicine or mga hormones for breast cancer.
Yeah.
Kasali. Okay?
Oo. Mabuti na lang kako, yung aking sa breast, sabi ko, no, maganda ang iyong diagnosis. Sabi ko, although I have, ang prescription mo sa akin is for monitoring and for me to see you, for me to see you regularly, mga 3 months, within 3
Yeah.
months, 2 months,
Okay.
parang ganun.
So I want to say that I'm the one treating cancer patients holistically from the time of the treatment up to the end. Na?
Yes,
And then,
I am glad.
kahit na inoperahan kayo ng ibang doktor, but you come to me for treatment, for management, isasali na rin kita doon sa ayuda mo for the thyroid. Alam ko yung thyroid mo, iba ang nag-opera sa iyo. Diba?
Pero
Okay.
grabe yung sa thyroid ko, kung ikaw yung nakilala ko noon, baka hindi ganun ang operasyon. I don't know.
Okay.
Pero tapos na
Anyway.
yun eh. Tapos na
Okay.
yun eh. Oo. Salamat,
Sige.
Doc. Merry
Sige.
Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas. Huwag kayo muna aalis ha. Meron pang last segment ha. Pero let's
Sige.
hear from Emily. Emily Alba. Andiyan si Emily. Emily, hindi ka ba ayaw mo sumali sa ayuda? Emily? I think you're on chemo na. Tama? Unmute yourself. Emily. Yeah. Sige. So kahit na hindi ka nag-register, isasama na kita. Alam ko kasi you're on chemo. Ha? Okay? So Abet,
Okay.
Ha? Ano masasabi mo rito sa first time mo mag-attend?
No, hindi first time, Doc. Dati
Okay.
nag-attend na rin ako before.
Okay.
Maganda, syempre, sharing of experiences
Okay.
and helpful sa lahat. Parang magkakaroon ka ng hope na hindi maraming nakakaligtas, I mean, gano'n.
Okay. Good.
Basta magpapagamot, basta magdadasal, of course.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. But I'll include you in this ayuda. Dadagdagan ko na lang. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Doc.
Okay. Okay, si Biador gusto magsalita. Okay. Lourdes Biador. Unmute mo yung sarili mo. Unmute mo, Tess Ferrare. Unmute. Ayan.
Okay.
Go ahead. Sige.
Good morning po, Doc. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa inyo dahil sa magandang pagkakaopera po sa akin. At saka po, first time ko pong umaten ng seminar niyo. Tapos,
Exactly 1 year.
exactly 1 year po ako ngayon. Tapos, marami pa ako natutunan sa mga nag-share. Sana po, next year, kasali na ako sa mga sharing. Nagpapasalamat po ako dahil marami pong nakakanood. Saka po, akin po siguro daw ang mga makakasabi ko, ano tawag ko na, yung kinakabahan ko. Yung,
Wala akong ininom
wala
ng
po
mga
akong ibang ininom na gamot, pero ito po ako malakas. Wala kayong binigay sa akin. Nakaraos po ako ng matiwasay. At thank you po kay Lord dahil kayo ang ibinigay sa akin, Doc.
Okay.
Hanggang ngayon po, malakas po ako. Wala akong ininom na kahit ng gamot. Yung monthly check-up po sa inyo, rin po ang ginagawa ko. Ano po sa akin.
Okay.
Yun po ang aking tinutupad. At lagi po,
masasabi ko lang.
masasabi ko lang po sa ibang nagkaroon ng ganitong
Kumapit lang kay Lord.
umapit lang po kay Lord.
Okay.
Maraming
Thank you.
salamat po, Doc.
Merry
Thank you
Christmas.
po. Merry Christmas po.
Merry Christmas. Thank you for attending. I-target mo yung gayahin mo si Doc, si Radies, 25 years, jubilarian.
Opo,
Itatarget
Doc.
mo yan. Okay.
Thank you po.
Okay. Anybody else who wants to
I'd
give
like
a
to
short
say
feedback?
something, Lord.
Okay, Lynn.
Uh-huh.
Lynn.
Maraming salamat po. Una-una sa inyo, Doc. Talaga po, ang laki na nagagawa ng ano nyo, encouragement nyo. Ang laki ng ng impact nitong inyong uh, journeying with us. Kasi very few doctors really will journey with you. Parang, pasyente ka lang. Eh, di, kung dumating ka, good. Kung hindi, hindi. But you go beyond being just a doctor treating a patient. You are concerned with our overall well-being, and you are concerned that we fight, no, and you fight with us. So that means a lot. So thank you, Doc. Second, ang ganda po nito, meron tayong Christmas party, but it is my wish na gawin nating more frequent yung interaction na ganito. Like maybe we can have a more like a monthly fellowship where we can, kasi 1 year is a very long time para para magkumustahan ano nang nangyari sa iyo. You know, you'll never know, baka mamaya may nawala na hindi man lang natin siya na-reach out. But we can always reach out to each other, encourage each other more, especially dun sa pag-aayos ng ating lifestyle, sa pag-manage ng ating mga emotions, at pag ng ating spiritual life. Kasi talaga spiritual life is part of our healing process. Kung wala tayo ng mahigpit na akap sa Diyos, ewan ko saan tayo pupulutin. Sa hirap ng dinadaanan nating cancer journey, di ba? So if I may suggest, with Doc's permission, of course, I have another group na nagmi-meet po kami, would you believe, 3 times a week. We are all cancer survivors. We meet for a week to pray for each other, to study the Bible, to share about anong nangyayari sa aming cancer journey, anong nangyayari dun sa test namin recently. So we can really pray for each other. Ganun, parang part ka talaga ng buhay ng isa.
Headphones. Pati sa ulo ba na? Headphones yun, yung sinusuot ko sa...
Meling, paki-unmute.
Paki-unmute na lang po kung hindi nagsasalita, nadi-disrupt po. So, I am willing to, kung gusto ninyong mag-join ng Bible study, I'm also willing to conduct Bible studies with you or pray with you. You can message me po sa Facebook, Lynn Monsan po, also po, I have a longer version ng aking testimony, and in there, ay inilagay ko kano yung mga positive na ginagawa ko so I can stay healed. You know, I always claim na healed ako, although nagki-chemotherapy pa rin ako. But yung longer version nandun sa YouTube channel ni Doc Hoson. And I would like to encourage everyone, mag-share kayo ng version ng ininyo ng healing journey. Kung hindi nyo man mai-video, then write it down and then ibigay natin kay Doc, and he can post it so everyone can read it or listen to it kahit hindi Christmas party natin, 'di ba? That would be nice. Na ay talaga yun ang nangyari sa kanya. Ang galing naman. We need constant encouragement from each other, not only once a year. Di po ba? I know. I hope you agree with me. But yun yung feedback ko, Doc. But I'm here willing to journey with you along with Dr. Hoson. Ginagawa ko po yung marble ni Dr. Hoson. Because then I could keep track of my remaining days on Earth, and I intend to spend the remaining days on Earth intentionally. Yung hindi ka nag-aantay na lang na kung ano mangyari sa'yo, bumalik ba yung cancer mo, hindi. But at least meron kang ginagawa na perhaps contribution mo sa buhay ng ibang tao, or pag tinawag ka na ni Lord, then you can say then happy ka to leave the world because you'll be meeting your Savior. Sabihin niya siguro sa'yo, well done, good and faithful servant. Yun na lang yung gusto ko you don't know kung kailan ka kukunin ni Lord, diba? So kung may desire is pag kinuha ko ni Lord, and sana Lord, face to face ako sa iyo, and you will be smiling and saying to me, well done, good and faithful servant. So I want to live my life intentionally. So one of the intentions I want is to reach out to my fellow cancer journey or sojourners or pilgrims para we can journey together. Yun po. God bless everyone. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas din. Yeah. Lynn submitted a long one, pero maganda. But we cannot really post it here kasi masyadong mahaba. Ngayon nga, nag-overshoot tayo ng 2 hours because of the hitches. Actually, that time
That's
ito na,
okay.
no? So, sorry for that overtime, no? Anyway, you can post it to sa Cancer Crusaders Club group natin, yung offer mo, no?
Apa, okay.
There are about may mga 100 members din doon, no?
Apa.
I hope all of you can also join the group, the Facebook group on Cancer Crusaders Club, no? Okay. Anyway, I will announce it in the Cancer Crusaders Club. Okay. Thank you, Lynn, for joining. Okay. Anybody else? So I've not seen Nanita Ramos. Kumusta ka na? 5 years ka na. No. Unmute sarili mo.
Di ba?
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Toto.
Nice to see you again.
Thank you po. Okay naman. Na ano lang po yung nahack lang po yung FB ko dati kaya hindi ako
Okay.
ng ano.
Okay. So, thank you for joining us. Okay.
Thank you din po.
Okay. So, okay. Just put your comments on the chat box. Na I don't think we have time to listen to everybody. Na pakilagay na lang sa chat box. No? So we will now have the finale. No, don't leave. Tayo mo na. I see Seni Cabral. Seni. Si Seni.
Yes, Doc.
Oh, sino mga kasama mo dyan? I see a lot of people with you.
Yes. Sabi ko yung mga members ko po dati last year, tsaka po yung mga kapatid ko po. Merry Christmas, Doc. Merry Christmas po, Doc. Merry Christmas po, Doc.
Ala ko magti-TikTok kayo ngayon.
Kaya ka, Doc, eh. Next year, Doc.
Sige. Okay.
Doc.
Okay. Thank you. So, Lance, can you show your face?
Doc.
Can you show your face?
Si Lance yung anak ko.
Where's my son?
Here. Hello.
Okay. Yan. Okay.
Gwapo ng anak niyo,
Yeah.
Doc. Yan nakakatuwa na tumutulong dito sa amin.
Yeah. So, as mentioned by some of you, si Susan, saka okay, I want to treat you holistically, no? Okay, from start to end. I won't be a surgeon who will just, after the operation, he will just refer you to other oncologists, no? Okay, so I'll be with you up to the end, no? And then, kaya alam ko my time is also limited on earth, no? Kaya yung anak ko ang tutulong, no? Who can take care of you, okay, when I'm gone, no? Okay. So, do you promise, Lance, to help them?
Yes, I promise.
Okay. Sige.
Lance.
Thank you. Can you
Salamat
now
po,
put
Lance.
on the last segment?